Good afternoon, loyal listener friends of Mercubuana Podcast. How are you doing today? Meet again with me, Muhammad Ilmanafia, who will bring interesting news that is hot again. The first news come from Deddy Kobuser YouTube channel. Deddy again uploaded the podcast content this time with Rahayu Saraswati, a politician who is the nephew of the Minister of Defense Prabowo Subianto. In the podcast content uploaded by Deddy, Sarah Saraswati uncovered the facts about the sex mafia in Indonesia. Wow, I'm also her friend Sarah said the 10-year all children in Indonesia have become sex slaves. Some even 4 years old. Hearing this statement, they suddenly did believe it. Did also some speechless for a moment. The fact about the explosion of minors who become victims of prostitution seems to have succeeded in making Daddy dumbfounded. There are 12 years, 10 years already dressed up. They think this is normal and being a prostitute is their fate, he said. Not now. Sarah's returned to tell I'm sorry there are even 4 years of being a sex worker. 4 years old there is already a market explosion. I might not find in Indonesia, but in the world there is, he said, bullshit. Age 4 years of sex work. That call will believe is believe it. There are PSK who come to Papua even though they they are they are not Papua residents. They go there to serve mining workers, said Saras, as if he was statified enough to make Daddy dumbfounded. Saras returned to reveal surprising fact. Most of them are people who do not have a job and have a minimum of education. Then that asks what made them what made them go there. Most of the are promised job, replied Saras. Where does a child tell his mother that when he grow up he wants to be a prostitute? There are also areas in Jakarta where they grow up saying their mother worked like that, said Saras. Saras reflects that children aged 10 years and 12 years are used to serving male mature less and can even serve 40 to 60 men a day. Same from the number of condom in the rooms. The child thinks that being a prostitute is their fate and something normal. In Indonesia, it is not only girls who are victims of trafficking and the participation of violence against children is it also experienced by boys. Saras explains that in Indonesia 2012 there were uh, 70,000 cases of male sex self and in there were cases of underage sex work in and it has integrated and reportedly in information was spread from social media. Interpol said that in the four categories of material photos and videos of child abuse, the most were boys. He said, responding to the story of Sarah's Dediko Burser, argues the according to him, Social media is the trigger for someone to become a sex worker. Social media now really change a person mindset to become a mental matrix, a soap opera that describe wealth, so people want to get its fast, so they enter the world of Pesca. He replied from sex workers are triggered by brokenness, making the default for the to leave the community. For me, when it is very broken for there, so you can get trapped in this sex worker. It's not doing it at will. When they do it with pleasure, I will not judge, said Sarah. Sarah also invite to care and sex answer together. Even took the case of HPSK in difference. Nah, wow, about a loyal listener friends of Mercubuana Podcast, I'm Muhammad Ilman Nafia. Thank you for being a loyal listener of Mercubuana Podcast. Good afternoon and continue your activities. See you next time.